PLCS, unique products for gas distribution. The basement T replacement tool. This safe tool replaces or abandons inside 3/4 to 2-inch low pressure service tees and fittings without blowing gas or outside excavations. Use on equal or reducing tees. The sturdy, lightweight modular construction makes it fast and easy to install in tight places. The clamp-on assembly only needs a 9/16" wrench and requires minimal training. The operation is simple by building a ball valve on the tee. The capper plug is removed. A stopper, which is a choice of an inflatable bladder, disc stopper, or expansion plug, is inserted into the service pipe, stopping the flow of gas. After fitting Renewal, the stopper is retrieved and the service is back online. To begin, loosen the cap to break the initial seal. Choose the correct size backer clamp. The flat side should be facing towards you. Tighten the swing bolt on the clamp so the inside recess is up against the boss of the tee. Fit the seal over the cap so the round side is facing against the clamp's flat side. Install the slotted T adapter over the tee. Hold the slotted T adapter in place and locate each swing bolt into each slot. Tighten evenly until moderate resistance is felt. Attach the ball valve so the larger flats connect to the T adapter. Open and close the valve with the 9/16 wrench to ensure proper operation. Choose the correct size cap removal adapter. Fit onto T-handle shaft by lining up the set screw on the adapter with the dimple located on the shaft. Tighten using the hex wrench. Turn counterclockwise until the cap has been removed from the T. Withdraw the cap to above the ball valve and close the ball valve. Bleed off the excess gas. Remove the assembly with the capture cap. Choose the correct size inflatable stopper and insert the flexible shaft end into the stuffing box. Use the depth collar to determine the length needed to insert the stopper into the service pipe. Tighten the collar and withdraw the inflatable stopper inside the stuffing box and attach to the ball valve. Open the ball valve and push the flexible shaft until it stops at the depth collar. Attach the small hand pump and inflate the stopper to the correct pressure. Once inflated, remove the small hand pump. Not shown here, but there is a small bleed valve to verify gas is stopped. The assembly can now be removed. At this time, renewal connections can be made. Once renewal connections are complete, reassemble the tool. Depress the Schrader valve to deflate the stopper. Carefully pull the flexible shaft and withdraw the stopper to up inside the stuffing box. Once fully retracted, close the ball valve. Remove the stuffing box. Return the cap to the T using the cap removal adapter. Open the ball valve. Push the T-handle until it touches the T. Turn the T-handle clockwise in order to tighten the cap onto the T. Pull the T-handle to detach it from the cap. Open the bleed valve. If you do not hear the sound of blowing gas, the cap has been installed correctly. Now you may remove the remaining assembly. The operation is now complete. Now we will show the operation on an equal T using a disc stopper. Please note the inflatable stopper can also be used for equal Ts. The operation is almost identical, with just a few differences. To begin, loosen the plug to break the initial seal. Attach the anchor clamp behind the T. Fit the slotted T adapter over the T. Locate both swing bolts through an open slot and tighten until moderate resistance is felt. This will create a compression seal around the perimeter of the plug. Next, tighten the ball valve onto the assembly. Fit the plug removal adapter onto the T-handle, push on the shaft, and engage the plug. Tighten onto the ball valve. Turn counterclockwise to remove the plug and withdraw it up inside the stuffing box. Close the ball valve. Bleed off any excess gas. Remove the T-handle assembly with the captured plug. Choose the correct size disc stopper and tighten onto the shaft counterclockwise. Push the shaft with the stopper attached to determine the desired depth within the service pipe. Tighten the depth collar to use as a reference. Withdraw the stopper to up inside the stuffing box and tighten onto the ball valve. Open the ball valve. Push the shaft to the depth collar. Now that the gas has stopped, the assembly can be removed and renewal connections can be made. Remove the depth collar. Remove the stuffing box. Remove the ball valve. Remove the swing bolts to remove the T-adapter. Remove the anchor clamp. Remove the old fittings and construct the renewal connections. Now simply reverse the installation operation, insert the plug, and remove the assembly to complete the process.